Hello students, today's video lecture is based on class 12 physics, that is the lecture number 7 of light. Okay, so in previous video lecture we have discussed about the topic refraction of light. So today also we will remind that topic within few minutes and then we will go forward. Now the topic is refraction of light. We know that when a light comes from one medium and goes to another medium, then it deflects from its original path. And this phenomena is known as refraction of light. Suppose that this is the incident ray, okay, and which the ray of light deflects from its original path, that is refracted ray, and the point from at the line which is perpendicular to the surface, and at that point where this ray of light get deflected, that line is known as normal. इसका मतलब है कि जिस पॉइंट से इंसिडेंट रे डिफ्लेक्ट होती है उसी पॉइंट पर सरफेस के परपेंडिकुलर जो लाइन ड्रॉ करते हैं उसको हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे, नॉर्मल. एंड द एंगल बिटवीन नॉर्मल एंड इंसिडेंट रे, दैट इज नोन एज एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस. एंड द एंगल बिटवीन normal and refracted ray, that is known as angle of refraction. Suppose that this is the medium which is denser than the first medium. Okay, so now in this case, suppose that this is the medium number first and the next is medium number 2. And the medium number 2 is denser and the first medium is rare medium. Clear? So in this case, when a light comes from the rare medium and goes to denser medium, then it bends towards the normal. Okay? ये किस तरफ bend हुई है? Normal की side. Because अगर इसका original path हम लोग draw करेंगे तो कुछ ऐसे जाएगा. Can you see this? This is the original path of the incident ray, but it reflected. So refract होने के बाद इसने इस पाथ को कवर कर दिया हुआ है. So यहाँ पर हम चेक कर सकते हैं कि रेयर मीडियम से डेंसर मीडियम में कोई भी रे ऑफ लाइट जाती है तो किस तरफ बेंड होगी, नॉर्मल की साइड. बट यही कंडीशन अगर हमारे पास इसका अपोजिट होगा तो यहाँ पर हम लोग क्या करते हैं, जो इसका ओरिजिनल पाथ होता है उससे क्या हो जाएगी, आगे फ्रॉम द नॉर्मल जाएगी. क्लियर दैट? सो यहां पर हमारे पास है लॉज ऑफ रिफ्रैक्शन. पॉइंट नंबर फर्स्ट, इंसिडेंट रे, रिफ्रैक्टेड रे and the normal are all at the same plane. Point number 2 is, that is the second law of refraction, sin I is directly proportional to sin R. That is sin of angle of incidence, that is directly proportional to sin of angle of refraction. In this case, we can write it as sin I equal to, if we are removing here the proportionality sign, then there will be a constant, that is n into sin r. Now we can write here sin I upon sin r, that's equal to n. Here is the n is the refractive index of that medium, where n equals to refractive index of medium, and this is also known as Snell's law. Okay, इसी फॉर्मूले को sin I by sin r इक्वल्स टू n को हम लोग स्नेल्स लॉ भी बोलते हैं. तो ये हमारे पास ये लॉज हैं, लॉ that are known as laws of refraction. Clear there? Now there is a point, that is refractive index. Now what is the refractive index and how can we calculate it, and how medium ray of light and the speed of light depends on the refractive index of a medium. Now the topic is refractive index. Topic is refractive index. Actually, refractive index is the ratio of speed of light in vacuum to the speed of light in any medium. That is known as refractive index. So n equals to c by v, where c is the speed of light in vacuum and v is the speed of light in any medium, and n is the refractive index. So we can write the definition in the term of n equal to c by v. Refractive index is the ratio of speed of light in vacuum to the speed of light in any medium, or we can say in the zero medium. Okay, so this is the definition of refractive index. There are two types of refractive index. Refractive index can be categorized or classified in two ways. Refractive index. First one is absolute refractive index, and the second one is relative refractive index. Now, what is the absolute refractive index? Actually, if one medium is air and second medium is something, and now if we are taking the refractive index of a medium with respect to air, then it will be absolute refractive index. For example, suppose that there is a two different mediums. First one is air and second one is water. In this case, if we are taking the refractive index of water with respect to air, then it can said to be there is a absolute refractive index. But in the case of, suppose that first one is water and the second medium glass. Okay. So in this case, there is a, suppose that N1 is the refractive index of first medium, that is water, and N2 that is the refractive index of glass, that is second medium. In this case, if we are taking the refractive index of one medium with respect to another medium, that will be relative refractive index. For example, if we are taking here 1 and 2, that's equal to N2 by N1. That means reflective index of medium 2 relative to medium first. So this term is the relative refractive index, and this term which can be written as A and W, that's equal to NW upon NA. That term is for the absolute refractive index. Clear that? Because यहाँ पर refractive index of the air जो है वो 1 होता है, so डायरेक्टली हम लोग बोल सकते हैं कि यहाँ पर सिर्फ किसकी वैल्यू होगी, refractive index of water. But in this case, there is a different values of N1 and N2. So there will be the relative refractive index. That is the main difference between absolute refractive index and a relative refractive index. That's clear? So now we are going to our new topic, that is the reversibility of light range. Reversibility of light range. This topic. Actually, there is a boundary which separates the two different mediums. Like this is the medium number first, and next one is medium number 2, and the refractive index of medium first, that is N1, and the refractive index of medium 2, that is N2. In this case, suppose that there are different refractive index for the different mediums. So suppose that this is the medium number 2, that is the refractive index N2, and then even after this there is also same medium as well. Okay, this is the medium number 3rd, which is equal to medium number 1st. For example, यहाँ पर भी हम एयर ले रहे हैं, यहाँ पर हम ग्लास ले रहे हैं. ओके, और ये फिर से एयर है, तो यहाँ पर हमारे पास मीडियम है, ये एयर है, ग्लास है, और फिर से क्या है, एयर है. In this condition, if any ray of light comes from the medium number first and goes to inside the glass, then it will bend towards the normal, because glass is the denser than the air, so it will deflect towards the normal. So this is the case. But from this surface, now ray of light is coming from the denser medium, and there will be rare medium, so it will bend away from the normal. क्या होगी? नॉर्मल से आगे बेंड होगी. इस कंडीशन में आप चेक कर पाएंगे, यहाँ पर 1 है, ये 2 है, और ये फिर से 1 है. Now we can write here. For this, we can write 1 and 2. But for this, we can write 2 and 1. Clear that? And in this case, we can write the sin I upon sin R in the first case. But in the second case, we can write sin R upon sin I. This, if we are multiplying these equations, suppose that this is the equation first and next equation number second. So by multiplying equation first to the equation second, then we can get sin I upon sin R multiplied by sin R upon sin I. that's equal to 1n2 into 2n1. Now it can be cancelled, that's equal to 1, and here will be 1n2 into 2n1. That is the meaning of reversibility of light. It indicates that अगर यहाँ पर सोर्स ऑफ लाइट यहाँ पर हम लोग रखते हैं तो रे ऑफ लाइट इस पाथ को फॉलो करते हुए इसे पास होगी, बट सेम सोर्स ऑफ लाइट को अगर यहाँ पर रखा जाए तो रे ऑफ लाइट उसी पाथ को फॉलो करते हुए यहाँ से बाहर आएगी. दैट इज द रियल मीनिंग ऑफ रिवर्सिबिलिटी ऑफ लाइट. क्लियर? यहाँ पर इसका कुछ डिफरेंट मीनिंग नहीं है, बस इतना सा है कि फर्स्ट जब हमने सोर्स को यहाँ रखा तो लाइट रे जो है यहाँ पर इमर्जेंट रहेगी, और यहाँ पर अगर सोर्स ऑफ लाइट रखेंगे उसी पाथ को फॉलो करते हुए इमर्जेंट रे पास होगी. So that is the reversibility of light, and in the case of reversibility of light we can write here 1 into 2n1, that is equal to 1. That is the concept of reversibility of light. Okay, in the next video lecture we will start the critical angle and the total internal reflection. Okay, clear that? So I will stop here. Thank you.